how to change the filters on the Aspiron canister vac. So the filter is actually 3-piece. You have this filter, you have this filter, and you have this filter. And I'll show you how easy it is to install because I'll show you the ones that's currently inside the vacuum. So you push this button right here and that opens up this bin. So grab this handle and lift up. You have this piece right here. There's a little latch right here, so if you push up here, it helps you take it out. You can take this piece out and voila, this is filter number 1. Then underneath there, you have this, and this one, just grab it, and this is filter number 2. It's a square filter, so it doesn't matter which way you put it in. It works just fine. Just lay it so it lays flat right there. And then this filter, again, is a square filter, so it doesn't really matter which way you put it. It just lays flat, and you see this thing, as you push down, it'll push this one down like that, and it's installed. Simply put this back in here, and there's a little latch that will latch it in place right here. Boom, and now you're back in place. The third filter is back here. So you push this little orange button, push that, and then pull out, and then you can replace this filter. Super easy to replace. This one is a one size. You can rotate it until it just fits. So I would recommend remembering the orientation, so when you change the filter, match it up just like this. And this is a 3-piece filter, so just get those 3 filters and replace them, and now you're good to go. So it's very important to replace your filter because that will optimize the flow of air to increase and have the most powerful suction. And number 2, you also don't want to blow dust and pollen all back in your room. So that's how you change the filter in the Aspiron canister vacuum right here. Oh yeah.